Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put the camera housing back together. So this is the finished product. So yeah, this is part 4 or part 3, depending on where I put this video. So let's get on with it. Right, get this cable out of the way. Screwdrivers, screws. Let's start off with the bracket, so let's put this over here. So you got this bracket in there, it's a bit grubby but it doesn't matter. So we'll put that back on there, put this screw back in. Let's do it like a hex pattern. And then we can tighten it down in. There we go. That's the bottom of the bracket done. These need a bolt, which are here. And then what we'll do is take this masking tape out of this bolt. There we go. And then that goes like that, doesn't it? Yes. So that'll need a bolt. So this is this bolt. Pushes through there. And this bolt goes into there. And we need some star hex things. I don't know where I put them at the minute, so let's just leave this for now. What we'll do is just put it hand tight, so there. And later on I'll put it properly. So that goes under there. Anyway, yeah, so that's the bracket anyway. Here's the housing. So let's take this off. And hopefully it will reveal something very nice. It's a bit of paint, but I can remove that with some alcohol. But overall the masking tape has worked. There we go. That's the cover removed thing. Let's remove some of this stuff. Let's just undo the bolt a bit more. There we go. Put the cover to the side. And we're back to this. So let's get our glands. These are our glands. It's got a rubber washer, so it's water sealed, weather sealed. So it goes under here, doesn't it? One goes in there, like that. And that goes through there. Like that. So that's them installed. Right then, next bit is this bit, the heater. Moving these bolts. Shoot a screwdriver. putting this back in. It's very simple to take it apart and put it back together. Very simple indeed. And that's the next screwing, and that's the heater installed. Running the wire under that bracket thing, flipping the bracket round, and putting this back together. This has only got the heater in, by the way, it hasn't got the fan. But you can buy off eBay a module what you could put in which replaces the heater and the fan. And basically just buying the heater and fan again. But in my case it's just the fan. Or you could run a computer fan inside, a mini one, off a 12 volt power supply. But the heater is 12 to 24, so you probably need that module off eBay. Why is this not going in? It's going in now. There we go, that's back on. Next is the camera module. What are them 4 things for? Are the ones for the other screw and one's for the one of these brackets what goes under the camera, so yeah. So my Vista camera, which is, where's it gone? It's here, hiding. Here we go. So that goes like that. Washer bolt goes through there. No, it doesn't. It goes under there, and then that goes through there, and then the camera gets attached like this. And we can move it. So what we'll do is put this back in. So we'll just put it about there. And then remove it again. It'll come out. And then we roughly know where it is. So get it straightened up with the camera. And there it is. It's installed. Let's just loosen these up a bit. I want it about there. I could replace all the bolts, but I just don't want to because they'll work fine. So that looks good. I'll do the connections later. I'm just putting it back together. The earth screw, let's put the earth screw back in. The earth cable. Actually no, I'll leave it in and then when I install it I can just put it back in. So the housing, top cover, which needs wiping. And putting back on. As you can see, let's put the screw back on. Goes in there. Let's hand tighten it. Now let's put this cover back on. It goes there, doesn't it? Yep. So let me just do this. Just work this out. Yeah, it's going to be like that. So you can pan and tilt and zoom and zoom. You can't zoom, but you can pan. Pan it. Well, you can zoom it because it's got the zoom on the lens. Again, I don't have an Allen key for this, so I've misplaced them somewhere, probably downstairs. So anyway, there's the camera back together. Hope you like this series of video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and subscribe to Alex the Geekery for sending this camera out. So that'll come off. So. Goodbye.